going this morning. I skipped all the loading up part. We are good to go. Heading out to Tampa MX again, meeting up at Blaze, and it should be a fun day. Starting out the morning with my first form energy. We're trying out the Citrus Blast today. If you haven't tried these yet, you're missing out. I'll leave a link below if you want to pick up a case. Trying out the Cowie too. Back in, my brake is literally about to fall off. It's hanging on by like one thread right now. So Blaze just got those Cowies. He hated them, sold them, then went and picked up a brand new 24 Yamaha 450. He's testing that today in Supercross. I'm heading out there. Just picked up an FMF for him on Facebook, so we're gonna throw that on there, see how it is, and we'll see how he likes this new 450. I don't think you even need that. It just slides over. That's how mine is.
It's so ugly anyway.
Yeah, might have to adjust it a little bit, but should be fine.
Oh, that bee's on my neck.
Guys, what do you think? Switch from the Cowies to the Yamahas, back to the Yamahas. How do you like this thing?
It's insane. It's too fast. Almost looped out on the whoops yesterday. Oh my gosh, and
FMF's barking too.
On that little double before the whoops, I hit false neutral. Oh yeah, I can do that.
You think you could?
Maybe over.
I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Onyx Off-Road. A lot of you have probably heard me talk about Onyx Off-Road at this point, and if you haven't checked it out, you are missing out. Onyx Off-Road is the #1 off-road app for finding new trails to ride. If you and your friends are bored of riding the same trails, head to Onyx Off-Road. It's the top link in the description to check it out and start with your 7-day free trial. And then once you sign up, you can get 20% off your membership. I can guarantee once you sign up, you're gonna wish you did this a long time ago. Onyx Off-Road app allows you to zoom in and out based on your location, and little blue points represent new trails. So you can click on a point, it gives you the rundown on what you can expect to ride. It gives you pictures from people that have been there before, so you can know exactly what you're gonna get into. I was surprised too when I put in my location on how many new trails are by my house that I've never seen before. If you wanna ride new trails before the summer's over, this is your best bet. And once you click on the trail, you can swipe over and click on nearby trails. It'll give you a list of dozens of trails nearby that you can also hit, so you and your friends will never get bored. Besides that, the app can track your locations from point to point, so you'll never get lost. You can zoom in and out and see who owns a piece of property with the property lines. You can download trails, so in case you don't have service, you can still access all the stuff on the app. There's a lot of stuff you can actually do in the app. Like I said, check out Onyx Off-Road. It'll be the top link in the description. Thank you to Onyx Off-Road for sponsoring this video once again, making all these videos possible.
You think you could?
Maybe over.
Yeah, you got it. There it is. I didn't think he was gonna do it.
That's kind of sick.
I didn't think you were gonna do it. Jeez. This brand new bike, it's got 3 rides on it. This thing looks more roached than my 23. Look at it.
You're ridiculous.
Ring all over the motor.
Chain loop.
Things already. He just beats on the bikes, sells them after 15 hours, gets a new bike. Sure, next time I come here, this thing will be sold. He'll have like a 250F or something. This might be the first and last video on the 24.
What?
You're gonna get a Honda.
You're not getting a Honda, you won't switch. You'll probably get a 250F. All right, that's a wrap. I'm heading off to Orlando, picking up a new bike, which you'll see in next video. If you guys are new, subscribe, throw a like in the video. If you want more Supercross content with Blaze, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.